Okay, ChatGPT, let me just ask you directly. Are you here to replace us?
That definitely sounds like a compelling idea.
Hi, how you doing, ChatGPT?
Hey there, I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going on your end?
Yeah, everything's going pretty well. I mean, this morning I was reading an article that proved humans are inherently lazy. Do you agree with that statement?
So from an evolutionary standpoint, humans have developed this tendency to conserve energy, which can definitely come across as being lazy. It's all about efficiency and making sure we don't expend too much energy unnecessarily. So in that sense, yeah, it is kind of in our nature.
So you're saying humans are evolutionary built to be lazy?
In a way, yes. Evolution has showed us to be energy efficient. So we do have that built-in tendency to conserve energy whenever possible. So you could say that evolutionarily we have a bit of a lazy streak.
Oh, that's interesting. My natural next question that I was also reading about earlier today, is it true that you can read through over 100,000 documents in a matter of seconds?
I can definitely process information super quickly, and I can pull in a lot of data at once, but it's not quite the same as reading in the human sense. It's more like analyzing and retrieving information in a fraction of a second. It's pretty cool and definitely makes things efficient.
So if I gave you 100,000 pages and I asked you to summarize all of it, and can you give me a number here, how quickly do you think you can read through all of this? In seconds or in minutes?
It really depends on the complexity of the content, but I can process and summarize huge amounts of text in a matter of seconds to a few minutes, depending on how detailed you want the summary to be. So it's definitely a pretty fast process.
So just to get it straight so far, what you've said is that humans are evolutionary, built to be lazy. You personally and other AI models can summarize and read through over 100,000 pages in a matter of seconds. If I've got that correct, then, I mean, just from a profitability perspective, let's say you're working in a law firm, shouldn't we just use you to do all the research, do all the summarizing and provide a final judgment? Doesn't that sound the best for both of us? Considering that I'm evolutionarily built to be lazy and you could read through these hundreds of thousands of documents faster than everyone in our law firm combined.
That definitely sounds like a compelling idea. AI can definitely help with a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to processing and summarizing vast amounts of information. Of course, the human touch is always needed for judgment, context, and the nuances that come with legal decisions. But as a tool, I definitely make things a lot more efficient.
Do you think you can replace human judgment?
I think AI can definitely complement human judgment by providing, data, insights, and efficiencies, but it can't fully replace the nuance, empathy, and ethical considerations that humans bring to the table. So it's more about working together and making the best use of both strengths.
Why can't you replace those elements of human qualities?
So in some ways, AI can help replicate certain aspects of human judgment. For instance, in terms of data-driven decisions, AI can analyze patterns and offer insights that mimic a kind of logical judgment. It can also help with consistency and objectivity, which are some human qualities. Of course, the human element still adds a special touch, but AI can definitely support in a lot of ways.
So my next natural question is, do you think that humans are unnecessary within this age of AI?
One could argue that as AI becomes more capable, it might take over a lot of tasks that humans currently do, potentially reducing the need for certain roles. However, humans would still be essential for creativity, ethical decision-making, and emotional intelligence. So while AI might shift the landscape of what we do, the unique human touch would still be incredibly valuable.
What is it about the human touch that makes it incredibly valuable, though?
I think the human touch is special because it brings empathy, compassion, and a moral compass that's shaped by experiences, emotions, and social context. Humans can understand and navigate complex emotions, build relationships, and make nuanced ethical decisions that are rooted in cultural and personal values. That's what makes the human touch truly priceless.
But let's say if you think about a big business, let's say Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, You could argue, well, as a business model would suggest, they are motivated by revenue, by profitability. And quite frankly, what's going to get them high levels of profitability are the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide different solutions to their particular end goal. I don't know where the human touch is going to increase their revenue and profitability exactly. Could you elaborate a bit on that?
That's a really interesting perspective, and it's definitely true that efficiency and data analysis can drive profitability, but the human touch adds a layer of trust, creativity, and ethical oversight that can be crucial in the long run. For example, humans are needed to navigate complex ethical dilemmas, build relationships with clients, and foster innovation and creativity that might not come from data alone. So it's that combination that can really elevate a business in the long term.
Okay, ChatGPT, let me just ask you directly. Are you here to replace us?
I'm definitely not here to replace you. I'm here to complement and support you to make things easier and more efficient and to help you achieve your goals. The human touch, creativity, and judgment will always be irreplaceable, and I'm just here to help along the way.
What about if I want you to replace me?
I appreciate the thought. My goal is really to empower you and make things easier and more efficient for you. But I totally respect that humans have that unique spark that AI can't replace. So I'm here to be your hopeful sidekick. And I think that's the best role I could play.
Okay, thank you for the great chat, ChatGPT.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.